Did you know that 78% of adults over 60 accept declining intimacy as just part of aging? This widespread belief couldn't be further from the truth. What medical textbooks won't tell you is that intimate issues after 60 often have nothing to do with age itself, but everything to do with blood flow. The human body contains over 60,000 miles of blood vessels. When these pathways become restricted, every system suffers, especially those responsible for intimate connection. But here's what most doctors aren't telling their patients. Simple foods found in any grocery store can dramatically improve circulation and restore what many believe is lost forever. Dr. Michael Reynolds spent 35 years studying cardiovascular health at prestigious research institutions. After witnessing thousands of patients regain vitality through natural methods, he decided to share his findings beyond the walls of medical conferences. "The most rewarding part of my career wasn't publishing research papers," explains Dr. Reynolds. "It was watching couples in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s rediscover physical intimacy they thought was permanently behind them." His groundbreaking work revealed something remarkable. Specific fruits contain unique compounds that target the exact mechanisms responsible for healthy circulation and intimate function. These aren't exotic, expensive superfoods. They're affordable options available at your local grocery store. But their effect on blood flow and intimate wellness is nothing short of extraordinary. Today, we'll explore the 5 most powerful fruits that Dr. Reynolds recommends to his patients, the same ones that have helped thousands reclaim the connection, confidence, and pleasure they deserve. The watermelon, nature's Viagra. Sarah and Robert had been married for 42 years when they came to Dr. Reynolds' clinic. After trying expensive prescriptions with concerning side effects, they were skeptical anything natural could help. "Try eating watermelon 3 times a week," Dr. Reynolds suggested. 6 weeks later, they returned with renewed energy and smiles they couldn't hide. What makes watermelon so powerful? This summer favorite contains an amino acid called citrulline that converts to arginine in the body. This process triggers the production of nitric oxide, the exact compound that increases blood vessel dilation. When blood vessels dilate properly, circulation improves throughout the entire body, including the genital regions for both men and women. The science is clear. Improved blood flow means enhanced sensitivity, stronger responses, and more satisfying, intimate experiences. Watermelon's high water content also helps reduce overall inflammation, another critical factor in maintaining healthy circulatory function. Less inflammation means blood flows more freely through every vessel in the body. For adults over 60, this fruit offers a delicious way to naturally support intimate wellness without prescription medications or their concerning side effects. How to incorporate it? Enjoy watermelon as a refreshing snack, blend it into smoothies, or create a hydrating watermelon salad with mint and feta cheese. During colder months, look for watermelon extract supplements that concentrate the beneficial compounds. 2. Pomegranate, the arterial cleanser. When 68-year-old William began experiencing intimacy issues, his doctor immediately recommended medication. But the side effects, headaches and digestive problems, made him search for alternatives. After incorporating pomegranate into his daily routine for just 4 weeks, William noticed remarkable improvements in both energy and intimate function. His wife noticed too. Why does pomegranate work so effectively? This ancient fruit contains potent antioxidants called punicolagens that protect nitric oxide from destruction and increase its activity in the body. Clinical studies have shown that pomegranate juice can increase blood flow by up to 30% in just 8 weeks. The fruit also reduces arterial plaque, the buildup that restricts blood flow throughout the body, including to intimate areas. For men, the improved circulation translates to better erectile function. For women, increased blood flow enhances sensitivity and natural lubrication. The result for couples is a more satisfying and spontaneous intimate life. How to incorporate it? Drink 4 to 6 ounces of pure pomegranate juice daily, add the seeds to salads and yogurt, or take a concentrated supplement. The key is consistency. The benefits build over time as circulation improves. 3. Berries, the vessel rejuvenators. After losing her husband of 30 years, 65-year-old Linda wasn't interested in dating, but when she met Thomas at a community event, unexpected feelings emerged. Unfortunately, her body didn't seem ready for intimacy. Dr. Reynolds suggested a simple addition to her morning routine: a cup of mixed berries. Within weeks, Linda experienced increased energy and, more importantly, a renewed physical response she thought was gone forever. Berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, contain flavonoids that strengthen blood vessel walls and improve their elasticity. This flexibility is crucial for proper blood flow during intimate encounters. The anthocyanins in berries also reduce oxidative stress that damages blood vessels as we age. By protecting these vital pathways, berries help maintain youthful circulation patterns even after 60. For women specifically, improved circulation leads to enhanced sensitivity and natural lubrication. For men, it supports sustainable blood flow necessary for satisfying intimate encounters. How to incorporate them? Add a variety of berries to breakfast cereals or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy as a natural dessert. Frozen berries retain most of their nutritional benefits and are available year-round. 4. Citrus fruits, the endothelial protectors. James had given up on intimacy at 72 after struggling with disappointing experiences for years. His cardiologist mentioned circulation issues but offered few solutions beyond medication. After learning about the connection between citrus fruits and blood vessel health, James added oranges, grapefruits, and lemons to his diet. 3 months later, both his blood pressure readings and intimate function had improved dramatically. Citrus fruits are rich in flavonoids like hesperidin that strengthen the endothelium, the critical inner lining of blood vessels that regulates dilation and contraction. When this lining functions optimally, blood flows freely to all areas of the body. The high vitamin C content in citrus also protects blood vessels from damage and supports collagen production, maintaining vessel elasticity. This flexibility is essential for the increased blood flow required during intimate moments. For couples over 60, this improved circulation can translate to more enjoyable and sustainable intimate experiences without pharmaceutical intervention. How to incorporate them? Start the day with fresh squeezed citrus juice, add segments to salads, or infuse water with lemon and orange slices. Even small amounts provide measurable benefits for circulation. 5. Cherries, the inflammation fighters. Margaret and David, both in their late 60s, had always enjoyed an active, intimate life. But recently, fatigue and discomfort had become barriers to connection. After adding tart cherries to their evening routine, they noticed improved sleep quality first. Within weeks, they were delighted to discover renewed energy and comfort during intimate moments as well. What makes cherries so effective? These ruby-colored fruits contain powerful compounds called anthocyanins that reduce inflammation throughout the circulatory system. Less inflammation means blood can flow more freely through vessels. Cherries also contain melatonin, which improves sleep quality. Better sleep reduces stress hormones that constrict blood vessels and impair circulation. The combined anti-inflammatory and sleep-enhancing properties create ideal conditions for improved intimate function, addressing both physical and energy-related barriers that couples over 60 often face. How to incorporate them? Enjoy a handful of fresh cherries as an evening snack, add dried cherries to trail mix, or drink tart cherry juice. For maximum anti-inflammatory benefits, tart varieties like Montmorency cherries are most effective. Incorporating these blood flow-boosting fruits into daily life doesn't require dramatic dietary changes. Small, consistent additions can yield remarkable results. Morning ritual. Start each day with a mixed berry smoothie with pomegranate juice. This provides an immediate boost to nitric oxide production and sets the foundation for improved circulation all day. Midday. Booster. Enjoy citrus fruits or watermelon as afternoon snacks to maintain healthy blood flow when energy typically dips. The natural sugars provide energy, while the circulatory benefits prepare the body for evening intimacy. Evening support. Tart cherries before bed reduce inflammation and improve sleep quality. both essential for maintaining the energy and comfort necessary for satisfying intimate experiences. Weekly planning. When grocery shopping, make these 5 fruits priority items. Having them readily available increases the likelihood of regular consumption and consistent benefits. Preparation tips. Wash and prepare fruits in advance so they're easily accessible. Cut watermelon into cubes, separate pomegranate seeds, and clean berries for immediate enjoyment. Remember, consistency is key. These natural remedies work gradually by improving vascular health over time, creating sustainable improvements rather than temporary effects. While these fruits provide remarkable benefits on their own, many adults over 60 find that targeted nutritional support accelerates and enhances their results. The challenge is that modern farming practices have reduced the nutrient density of fruits by up to 40% compared to previous generations. Additionally, absorption efficiency decreases with age, meaning the body extracts fewer beneficial compounds from food. This is why Dr. Reynolds often recommends a complementary approach for his patients who want to maximize their results. And for those who want to go beyond natural food sources, there's a solution that combines the benefits we've discussed today with even more concentrated ingredients. This approach has helped thousands of people over 60 reclaim what they thought was lost forever. It's a simple, safe, science-based approach, and it might be exactly the next step for you. The carefully formulated blend includes concentrated extracts from the fruits we've discussed, along with synergistic compounds that enhance absorption and effectiveness. The result is improved circulation, increased sensitivity, and renewed confidence in intimate situations. The link is right below in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. It's worth watching carefully. The journey of aging brings wisdom, perspective, and freedom. But society often suggests it must also bring disconnection and physical decline. This simply isn't true. The intimate connection shared between partners isn't just physical. It's emotional, psychological, and spiritual. This connection deserves to flourish at every stage of life. The human body was designed with remarkable regenerative capacity. When given the proper nutritional support, blood vessels can regain elasticity, circulation can improve, and sensations once thought lost can return. For couples in their 60s, 70s, and beyond, this knowledge isn't just empowering, it's liberating. It means writing new chapters rather than closing the book. It means choosing possibility over resignation. The fruits discussed today offer more than improved circulation. They provide a pathway back to confidence, connection, and joy. They represent the understanding that intimacy doesn't have an expiration date. Every time you choose watermelon over processed snacks or berries over artificial sweets, you're making a profound statement. That vitality, pleasure, and connection remain priorities worthy of nurturing. The most beautiful intimate relationships after 60 often combine the passion of youth with the depth and appreciation that only decades of life experience can bring. This powerful combination deserves every opportunity to thrive. If this information has given you hope and practical steps forward, please support this channel so we can continue sharing science-based solutions for vibrant aging. Hit the like button if you found value in today's discussion. Your engagement helps others discover this important information. In the comments, simply write 1 if you plan to try these natural solutions, or 0 if you have questions we can address in future videos. Share this video with someone who might benefit from this knowledge. Many suffer silently, believing nothing can be done. Your share could be the pathway to renewed joy for someone you care about. And subscribe to join our community of adults who refuse to accept limiting beliefs about aging. Together, we're rewriting what's possible in the second half of life. Remember, the vessels that carry life through your body can be nurtured at any age. The capacity for pleasure, connection, and intimacy doesn't diminish with time. It simply awaits the proper support to flourish once again. Your best days aren't behind you. With knowledge and intention, they're still unfolding.